5 proven home remedies to get rid of sciatica nerve pain. Sciatica is a very serious condition in which the affected person feels a lot of pain in one side of the body. The pain affects the lower back area, which goes down to the thighs and legs. The pain sometimes becomes unbearable to bear and causes a lot of discomfort. The main reason for the problem of sciatica is in the inflammation and sciatic nerve. Number 1 is valerian. Valerian root works as relaxant and relieves the chronic nerve pain. It is particularly good for easing sciatic pain caused by muscular spasms. The herb contains volatile oil that help to relax your muscles and ease the tension. It is popularly used as sleeping aid as well. Take 150 mg of valerian root supplement 3 times a day for a few weeks. Consult your doctor first. Number 2 is white willow bark. White willow bark can also be useful for long-lasting pain relief. It contains phenolic glycosides with psilocin, providing anti-inflammatory and analgesic benefits. Take a white willow bark supplement of 120 or 240 mg psilocin daily for several weeks. Consult your doctor first. Number 3 is fenugreek seeds. Pulses prepared from the fenugreek seeds can also help to reduce the sciatica pain thanks to its anti-inflammatory benefits. It also soothes the rheumatoid arthritis and gout pains. Grind a handful of fenugreek seeds, boil the powder with enough milk to get a mushy paste, apply it on the aching area as a poultice, leave it on for a few hours before rinsing it off, repeat daily until you get the relief. Number 4 is acupuncture. Acupuncture is another effective natural treatment to relieve the sciatica pain, relax the muscles, and help your body to heal itself. Another theory is that by stimulating the certain acupuncture points, the central nervous system is also stimulated, in turn triggering the release of chemicals that either change the perception of the pain or produce a sense of well-being. Always have acupuncture therapy performed by a skilled and experienced acupuncturist. Number 5 is spinal manipulation. Craniopathic care is an increasingly popular natural treatment for neck and back pain. Chiropractic spinal manipulation includes different techniques like involving rapid short thrusts to elevate nerve irritability responsible for inflammation and other symptoms associated with sciatica. Consult a doctor for the chiropractic medicine for proper treatment depending upon the exact cause of your sciatica.